is Jaffer Ahmed Sultan, and today we're going to do an experiment. The experiment's name is driving boats with dish cleaner. For this experiment, we need a bowl, plate, or tray filled with water. Then we need a cotton bud, some foam shaped as a boat, and dish cleaner. First, we are going to put our cotton bud in the dish cleaner. Then we are going to put it at the bottom of our foam. And now we are going to put the piece of foam in the water. And look guys, it is moving around. But why does this happen? The boat moves across the surface of the water because the soap can only dispense backwards. This makes the surface tension greater at the front of the boat than at the back, which pulls the boat forward.